Hey everybody, this is Mike from Mumba. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Echo Dot wall mounting case. First of all, we created this product because we love the Echo Dot and having Alexa and everything, but it does have one major flaw, and is that you don't really have anywhere to put it. Right now, we keep it on a table or a counter, you've got these ugly wires hanging, getting in the way. God forbid you spill a drink or knock it off the table. It just doesn't look like it belongs there. So what we came up with is a wall mount where you can keep your Echo Dot safe and off the table and basically turn any outlet into an Echo Dot station. So let's see what we got here. Looks like we got a power cable, we've got the wall mount itself, and we also have this shock absorbing case to protect your Echo Dot. So to install it, real easy. Just make sure that your port opening lines up with your ports, slide it in from underneath, lock it in, and that's it. Your Echo Dot now has 360-degree protection. The case is scratch proof. It even has these raised bumpers that don't just look cool, but it protects it. You ever drop it face down. And I think it looks really cool in this case, kind of like a carbon fiber kind of look. The designers really put a lot of thought into the look as much as the protection. And to uninstall it, it's just as easy. Simply grip it on the bottom like this and push down on the top. Pops right out. Okay, now that we got the case on, we plug in the power cable, which as you can see leaves you plenty of room to plug in the speakers. And now to install it on the wall mount, just line it up just like that. You have a little kind of a opening here that the handles grip into. Slide it in, lock it in, and pop it in, and that's it. All right, let's put it up on the wall, see how it holds up. Now to install the wall mount, you don't need any screws or anything special. You pretty much just plug it in like so, and then push the wall mount flush against the wall, and it's nice and secure. And this wall mount is compatible with all plug types, horizontal, vertical, upside down, just about any plug socket anywhere in the world. But now it's off the counter, out of the way, up on the wall, almost like a telecom. You don't have to crane your neck and shout at the floor. You can just talk to Alexa in a natural, comfortable position. You don't have hanging wires. Your countertops and tabletops are clear. You don't have to worry about dropping or spilling something on your Echo Dot, which is a big concern if you have Alexa in the kitchen, for example. To me, the coolest thing about this wall mount is that you can change the orientation from horizontal to vertical. So if the outlet you want to plug it in is in an awkward spot, you have 4 different options of how you can put it. And to do that, you just push in from the front, pop it out, flip it over, lock it back in, and there you have it. Now you can attach it horizontally. With other wall mounts, I don't really see a lot where you can change the orientation like this, and none of them include a shock-proof case. They look very flimsy, like they could easily fall out, and if they do, that's a long fall without any kind of bumper to absorb the shock. Anyway, I think this thing is super cool. It's up on the wall, it's safe, you don't have to crane your neck to make sure Alexa can hear you. If something happens, it's wrapped in this shock-resistant case. It's the way Echo Dot was meant to be. Hope that was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to tap that like button, hit that subscribe box, leave a comment, let us know what you think. Again, this is Mike from Mumba. Thanks for watching.